The blind spot warning (BSW) and intelligent blind spot intervention (I-BSI) systems, if so equipped, can help alert the driver of other vehicles in the blind spot area when changing lanes. The BSW system uses radar sensors installed near the rear bumper to help detect other vehicles in the blind spot detection zone. In addition to the radar sensors, the I-BSI system uses a camera installed behind the windshield to monitor the lane markers of your traveling lane. When the radar sensor detects a vehicle in the detection zone and the vehicle is traveling at speeds greater than approximately 20 miles per hour, the side indicator light will illuminate. If the driver then activates the turn signal, the system chimes twice and the blind spot warning indicator light will flash. The I-BSI system is activated when it senses a vehicle in the detection zone. You are driving at speeds above approximately 37 miles per hour, and your vehicle is approaching the lane marker. I-BSI operates regardless of turn signal usage. The system will chime 3 times and lightly apply steering force to help return the vehicle to the traveling lane. Push the Pro Pilot Assist button located here to activate the I-BSI system. I-BSI is on when the indicator light illuminates in the instrument panel. To enable or disable the systems, use these controls to select settings: Driver Assistance, Blind Spot Assist. Then select the system you want to turn on or off and press the OK button. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.